Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to submit music to Artlist. So the first step is to go to artlist.io and then you'll have to log into your account, and then in the top left corner click on these three lines and then click on join us and then click on become a musician. And then what you have to do is simply scroll down and click on apply now. And then here you'll have to enter your first and last name, your stage name, your email address, and your country. And then here a short biography representing you, your style. And then here you can enter what artist that describes you the best. And basically you'll have to fill in these informations here. And then after you've done that, you'll have to click on submit, and basically they'll review your application, and if everything is all right, they will contact you, and then you can start uploading and earning money on Artlist. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.